you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia Max on top of UHF 57, and Wazobia TV on top of Go TV channel 98. And this na the ogbonge politic discussion show As E Dey Hot. Every weekday from 10 go reach 11 not on Christmas, sake of say all of the topic where they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be for body, so that those when they lead this country go do the right thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabuel as they concerning politics matter As E Dey Hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers who don't carry As E Dey Hot come again, and that political program where they inform me, they sunshine with the different political activities where they happen for our border Nigeria. Today on from the Jarika when they say now gonna say yes, this one our issue we say we concern every Nigerian, because just like say every Nigerian then they live on waiting this thing on top of the kerosene and all that. So now what we will go look into, and also open our phone line so that we go feel relate well. Now as we go take at least talk this matter and talk about so that government go feel hear us. My name never say change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
We don't go waste time. We will go straight into the topic for today. I go talk am 3 times so that everybody go understand. 83 naira is better than 50 naira. Discuss. Some people go talk say na jam question. Make I talk am again. 83 naira is better than 50 naira. Discuss. Other people go look say be like say na WAEC. I go talk am again. 83 naira is better than 50 naira. Discuss. From the gala when we carry come, una go see say yes. We don't hear the voice of Nigerians, and the fact say plenty people don't come and talk say the way when things they go. It be like say even though the government won't do us well, it be like say maybe they think about our condition first before they implement certain policies. Make we break them down. We hear gist over the weekend say the federal government don't officially end the payment of subsidy. What is subsidy? Subsidy na money when we say government look finish talk say make we try help the condition of Nigerian people, or all of us when they say Nigeria, make we they pay some certain amount of money so that when Nigerians they pay for something, the thing no go too much. People can't talk say if we check the way when we say we they pay money for kerosene before when we say now 50 naira, say now the subsidy when government they pay, that make the thing no they too high. But the PPPRA when the ogbonge join body when we say, and then they chook eye inside all of these things, they don't come out with new template. They can't talk say if we really check them, say the way when we say they do the whole, say that they carry kerosene and everything, say be like say the thing don't go up, and say time don't reach for government to commot the money when they pay inside, use them do other things so that people from Nigeria go see the handwork of government. Some people don't come and talk say no, we cannot collect it. They ask them say why. They talk say wait. If we dey country where we say minimum wage na 18,000, and we dey even dey complain say we need to increase them, and the thing where you can't dey increase na price of kerosene say you get as e be. Other people talk say but let us calm down, because if government comot this money, invest them into other things, road go dey, light go dey, everything go dey okay for this our country. So we can't look and go like say all the promises, so they're not the promises, which one we don't see. Today, on top of our city hot, as we throw our phone lines open, we go like make you talk your mind. Look the 2 price, 50, 83. Tell us the one where you like. If 50 good for you, tell us why it's good for you. But remember, say 83, don't talk the one we say federal government don't stamp. We need to look the future. They talk what we go use the money when we will collect from this subsidy or talk kerosene do for inside this our country. Nkubi, I know I cannot see you, but over to you.
Well, Chukwudi, you don't drop the matter, and now would expect make our Nigerians react to what Chukwudi don't talk about.
Nkubi, react to waiting they talk. React to waiting they talk.
I am your co-presenter, co-anchor on this program. You don't have any right whatsoever to the question, because I'm not your guest on this program. Now me and you they run this program.
This thing started yesterday. You've been there dodge the question.
Nigerians to come and talk. To it. I am not your guest. Look,
react to it.
In as much as I don't feel see you, maybe I will need to stretch out head before I will see you. Look, just mind yourself. I cannot afford. I think if he had, I will bring out this book. They see ourselves.
Just respect yourself. You want to stretch, you go fall down. You want to stretch and see who.
Chukwudi, allow me to.
You want to stretch and see who? No, stretch like me.
I will drop this thing down.
Okay, both stretch. I'm stretching, stretch. No, I'm stretching, stretch.
Because of saying if you say get height.
I'm stretching, stretch.
Okay.
Okay, look at me here. Okay. Can you see me?
They
talk what you know if you do.
They do hide and seek.
Nkubi, you must face this particular topic.
Chukwudi.
50 naira, 83 naira.
I will face this particular issue, this particular matter, the way I feel Nigerians would want to.
Okay, face it. You are not from Cameroon. Face it.
Okay, generally we know say yes, Nigerians they already raise alarm on top of the sudden increase of petroleum kerosene product for market. But then the reason, one of the major reasons why Nigerians would react the way they react, because of so over time. We the talk say we don't see government make promises. Okay, if we come out this particular subsidy matter, or if we come out this particular thing, things go better. In the last administration, we remember everything play out in 2000 and that was in 2012 when Oga Jonah enter power. We see say they come and talk say look, they won't come out subsidy for fuel. They won't come out subsidy for fuel. In the end, people can't protest. They can't live on at a particular fixed price. They still raise the bar anyway. They still but then the whole essence of say they won't leave that thing at that price now. So at least in return, we go to see things where we say we go to see those government or amenities. We go to see development enter our doorstep. We go to see development cut across Nigeria. But the job like say they make all those promises. In the end, we no can see result. That is why I feel Nigerians go to react. And considering the fact say even right about now, the economy somehow they one kind. It calls for this level of reaction. Of course, Nigerians have they get every right to say yes, they won't talk, they won't kick against them. But then, for us to do it share our voices together, so that government so they hear go feel know what thing they will do about it. I don't talk.
No, I'm really very, very happy that Nkubi, even though today na Tuesday, when they far from Sunday, you talk like who they go church.
Okay. I beg it.
No, you talk like
talk by Jare, talk to
you talk like who they go church.
I don't say Temi talk by go feed at least. Now somebody
you talk like who they go church.
Temi talk by the line. Respect Temi talk by.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Temi talk by.
And Oga Chukwudi. Good morning,
Temi talk by.
Yeah, thank you. And this Temi talk by calling you. This matter where you put for ground, 83 naira better pass 50 naira. I mean, for my own I say 83 naira is better pass 50 naira.
Okay.
What do I mean? When this 50 naira was being touted as being the official price of kerosene, we never see kerosene buy for 50 naira. We were buying kerosene for 120 naira minimum. At times 140. And we are being told that about a lot of billions of naira was being paid as kerosene subsidy. We heard that during Nigeria at that time, they removed the kerosene subsidy. But now, what is happening? When Oga came in, we introduced the subsidy. And still, we do not buy the kerosene for 15 naira. Now, the point is, if this present administration, which I still trust, which they have not disappointed today, say they won't come to subsidy, and they won't use the money for better things, we are going to monitor them for. And they are saying that we should buy the kerosene for 83 naira. I agree. But I can still tell you, even as of now, we are still buying the kerosene for 120 naira. So what's the difference? If people they are paying subsidy, we are buying for 120 naira, and subsidy is removed, and for now we are still paying 120 naira. I will still agree that with time, it will still come to that 83 naira, and we must tell the government that subsidy when you remove, you must use it for substitute. If not, you go shout. That's my submission.
Thank you very much for this important contribution when we say you don't drop down. From waiting you talk all the way representing Shomolu constituency, we go enter inside Ibadan. Collect this call from Oga Ayodeji. Oga Ayodeji, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Ayodeji. Ayodeji, you did there?
Be like say network no gree Ayodeji to contribute. I beg, our people went there for house. If una want call us to Chukma for inside this matter, make una just reduce the volume of una television so that we go hear you and the full Nigeria go hear wetin you get to contribute about this particular matter. Nkubi, if you check wetin Oga Temitope talk, Oga Temitope don make plenty points. And wetin him talk, they very, very clear. Say, if we check the way when we say things don't they happen, it no go dey wrong for Nigerians to look government talk, say, government, they never dey sincere in their operation. Because today we go here and say, na like this it dey be. But in actual practical example, we dey see something when they very, very different. Some people don't come and don't talk, say, the concept of subsidy in itself, say the thing na scam, whether na for fuel or whether na for kerosene. He give example, he talk say, they talk say na 50 naira, but for some places, they buy am for 120 naira. Why e be say na like this? From Ayodeji Kowo we no take for Ibadan, we go enter Abuja. This one na the Federal Capital Territory and na Ogbonge constituency. Oga Igo go contribute for this discussion. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Oga Nkubi, I greet you. Good morning.
Morning.
Is 83 naira better than 50 naira.
Discuss.
This question, yes, is better. During under Goodluck Ebele Jonathan regime, they say if you carry crocodile to do your playmate, they go chop you. Now the crocodile where the other Goodluck regime, they chop the subsidy money. During that time, when you say they sell kerosene for 50 naira, it was only N50 that was selling the kerosene for 50 naira. Other police stations were not selling for that 50 naira. And if you see the queue for N50, you go wait from morning to night. You know the people by itself. You dey get me? So if you tell me say they put out say 83 naira, they remove subsidy, it's very good. And if you say 19 naira, make all filling stations. Not going to say for say maybe for NPC it will be 83, but for other filling stations say it will be 84 naira, something kobo. No, let it be flat rate. If you work under any state of filling station, make it be seen at 83 naira, you go say and make the kerosene they everywhere. Not because the federal government will put out say 83 naira. There we go see the fine for the look for the kerosene. That are not good. Good night.
Yes, Oga Igbo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. My mind they very, very sweet. Say Nigerians, they look at from this point of view, they talk, say, if we really do wetin dey right, whether 50 naira, whether 83 naira, if government dey sincere, they go do everything when they correct. Oga Alex, they call us from the Ikoyi constituency. Oga Alex, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Alex, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Alex.
Like I think yesterday, I called yesterday, when Nkubi was replied, I was supposed to respond back, but my time has finished.
Okay.
See, I said yesterday, I want to ask Nkubi, when was the last time you bought kerosene 50 naira? There is no way kerosene is sold 50 naira. They say the 50 naira official, you are buying it more than 100. But if government have come out to say you should stay, target at 83 naira, and kerosene will be available every year for us to buy, it's a welcome development. But we should see the intention of government behind this. We should not just see that 50 naira, 83 naira, but we should see it that way. Since you have new sheriff in town, we have to trust and pray for God for him. This country will be better for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Alex, for that contribution. Chukwudi, if we also look at Oga Alex talk, and also, it will also remind me, make we take him back to within the Petroleum Product Pricing Regulatory Agency, that is PPRA talk. They say they go, say the price where they go sell them out to these things for their own now 83 naira, which means say that one no go affect the people who go, that is the other sellers, that is the people the retailers, other sellers from their own prices, which means when they try to tell them, say if they go sell 83 naira to people they come buy, we go resell, which means we never really figure out how much those people go come sell their own. Exactly. But before we go further on this one, we get Oga Nelson, they call us from Lagos Island. Good morning, Nelson.
Good morning, Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nelson.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Would they greet you, Oga Nelson?
Yes. What I want to contribute about this issue of subsidy removal of kerosene. It's a welcome development. You can recall in 2011 when Jonathan removed call for total removal of fuel subsidy, and then he makes statement that this subsidy is a scam and that some cabal are eating this money. And so-called this, let me use that word, the saint of politician now said that is total, is barbaric against Nigerian people. And today, is that work that Jonathan started that they came to realize that when they are in the power now that it was truly patriotic Nigerian, that to see that all these people that eat up this money are totally removed from it. It's a welcome. I welcome that area. But let it be available, let the kerosene be available. And secondly, this government, the economy is not favorable to the masses. Looking at the downstream of the economy, dollars is about 305 naira now, pounds about 400. And then when they say $1 to 1 naira. At our vice president, our VP told the whole world in WEF forum, that is World Economic Forum, that our government will totally remove fuel subsidy. And as of yesterday, the Minister for State Petroleum is telling us that federal government is not in intention to move for subsidy. So I don't know.
Oga Nelson, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And this question when we say you don't raise, we go address all of them when we collect Oga Francis, when they call us from Calabar constituency. Oga Francis, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Francis. Francis, is the line?
Like say network no gree Oga Francis to contribute.
Well, if we look this matter, you go see people get their own reactions to waiting with the sudden price of the increase rather. You go see some people don't come out and talk say look the price is good on the ground say okay at least this is under a new administration.
Very true.
And because of say we don't see some signs of transparency under on top of under Oga Muhammad Buhari, there's every tendency to say okay say they go fit effectively at least utilize the money where they would get from here. So compared to the last administration, I would say they make such similar promises, but then we no can see signs of waiting their promise. Okay, let us go back to the witness they talked before. Okay, if people are talking say okay, see this price or see how much will they give them, and then in the end other retailers come they sell at their own price. Say we go get fixed price where others go they sell. They just sell any for any price where be say where they convenient for them. We go still take this call from Oga Okay. Oga Okay, they call us from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Okay, I greet you.
How are you now?
They fine.
They fine.
I thank you not so much. Make I contribute more. Our people they talk say bed at hand is better than thousands in the bush. Have you? If federal government knows say the masses go to buy fuel at the rate of 50 naira, may they make them available for them. Because this subsidy of a thing, I know they see and work for Nigeria. Even if they work, it's not working for the masses. Now then them. So now my own
contribution with that.
Nothing more.
Okay, thank you very, very much. From waiting a lot of Nigerians don't talk, you go see say people they express fear on the fact say shey dem go fit trust government to do wetin government supposed do. Now one thing wey government go try do to convince people say yes, as una don give us una trust by voting us into government, we go do wetin dey right. Oga Patrick, they call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Patrick, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Patrick.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my brothers.
Would they hear you right on?
Yeah, I bet this issue, I won't follow what in the last caller talk.
Okay.
Number one, these people were then there for talk, so they don't know what's in the kerosene for their house. Number two, I think say these people, if they come enter power, they will come make us happy. Kerosene where we say me why they live for Port Harcourt here, I know they see firewood fine. Now they come increase the money again. They can't talk, say they go do that money, take and do other things. We don't hear all these things for the past leaders them before. At the end of the day, no road, nothing. So what me I want to talk now be saying, me as a expect from my own aspect to make them still reduce the price down again because now waiting in promise us before he goes down for that seat. You get me? And again, this 50 naira, this 83 naira where they talk say make them they sell. They can't still talk say other markets are still sell and pass that amount. You don't trust Nigerians them. So if they want to say make they 83, make they sell all the filling stations, say make them they sell 83 direct. Not to say we can't tell others say trust Nigerians now bet that 50 naira or that 83 naira say make they still reduce them because this kerosene issue just be like Gary and rice for this country. You know this play with them, you can't hire them.
Oga Patrick, thank you very, very much for this your important contribution. And we really appreciate. I beg, spread the love and tell them, say, for Port Harcourt, make them they watch the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV, and make them they do their best to they enjoy AS E DEY HOT. We get Oga Isaac. Oga Isaac, they call us all the way from Benue. Oga Isaac, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning, Isaac.
I be one comment on Oga Alex talk yesterday, but I no can't get that chance to talk. He say no could look wetin government do holistically. Why government no look the thing holistically before they hike the price? Then they remove fuel subsidy, kerosene subsidy. If you see, they not increase people's salary, they not increase people pay. They know they think of the masses when they even see afford the kerosene before they even can increase the money. So make them happen and see the thing, how the thing be. See people might go suffer, see people for village. I would know the way people they use again. And he still called this morning again, see they raise the same things more the same holistically. You know, not like that. So they must see us. We will be poor, we don't even fit buy kerosene for that 50 days for them can increase and now how they want me we can survive. They increase salary.
Guys,
thank you very much
for this point when you raise. We go like emphasize and say we all get the right to express ourselves. Even though they talk am here say if you want to express yourself, make it not be like say you they talk down on other people, you they talk like say now only your own, now people go here. And the reason why we get democracy and why we get this Obonge program so that all the whole contribution when we join them together, those when the leaders go take the good ones and do our country well. We go quickly rush, enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. 83 naira is better than 50 naira. Discuss. Not go anywhere. Now still Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV, and now AS E DEY HOT.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.